going on, everybody? GQ Sneaks here, and I hope y'all having a good day. Got a real quick unboxing for y'all, so let's get right into it. So here it is, guys, the new Era WWE Ultimate Warrior 59FIFTY fitted hat. I actually picked this up from neweracap.com, and they actually had another Ultimate Warrior hat. It sold out real quick. I would have loved to have that one. Let me show you how it looks like. So they had this Ultimate Warrior hat, and I was perfectly fine picking this one up. So let's get right into it. In the front, you got a nice embroidered Ultimate Warrior logo. You got your orange, neon pink, neon green, and black. Nicely well stitched. Top brim, you got a nice neon pink. Got your New Era sticker on there. Go to the side, you got a nice neon orange New Era flag. And I think you could have used any of these colors for the New Era flag, and I think it still would have looked okay. If you notice, the back half is all green. You got your nice little pink button to match the top brim. And as we go to the back, you got a nice Ultimate Warrior stitching on there. That looks pretty dope. And as we go on under, you got a nice little neon orange under your brim. And inside, you got your 59FIFTY flags. You got your official licensed WWE product. Overall, I think this is a dope hat. I grew up watching Ultimate Warrior. He was one of my favorite WWE wrestlers as a kid. And I think these colors really capture the Ultimate Warrior's more or less color theme and stuff. Real bright colors and stuff like that. So definitely a thumbs up for me on this hat. So if y'all guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, thumbs up. Definitely would really appreciate that, y'all. And definitely till next time, I'm out. Peace.